Hello, and thank you for visiting daytrader.com's YouTube channel. Please note, the video clip you are about to watch is now over 10 years old. As such, I wanted to provide a brief introduction in order to help avoid any confusion. This clip originally aired on CNBC back in early 2000. At the time, I was running daytraders.com, which was one of the internet's largest websites for day traders. CNBC asked us to help kick off a segment they were doing, which was called Day Trading, the Risks and Rewards. The interview was done live, on the air, and was broadcast worldwide. As you may know, the daytraders.com domain name has since been sold, and we no longer provide our once very popular morning stock market report via email. However, we do run a message board and forum that is specifically geared to investors and traders, and this is now located at daytrader.com. Please feel free to stop by and register, especially if you are new to the markets and or have questions regarding stocks, options, futures, or Forex. Please note also, we do have a license to redistribute this content via the internet. Enjoy the clip, and we hope to see you at our new site located at daytrader.com. Thanks.
You're watching Power Lunch on CNBC, seen live in North America and Asia.
Well, thanks to the growing power of the internet, an increasing number of investors have become day traders. These are folks who buy and sell stocks within hours, maybe even minutes, in hopes of pocketing quick profits. Where on the web do they get information to help make these trades? Beginning today here on Power Lunch, we plan to take a look at these and other questions about day trading in our weekly series, Day Trading, Risks and Rewards. To kick off the segment, we have invited the senior editor of daytraders.com, one of the largest trading sites on the internet for day traders, to tell us more about his service, where he gets the research, and how you might profit from it all. Ray Johns of daytraders.com joins us from San Jose today. Nice to have you with us.
Thanks, Ted. Nice to be here.
First of all, on your website, you're giving stock tips, right?
Yeah, we have a number of different services. The first service is a newsletter that's geared for day traders who play the market, and that kind of covers day traders as well as short-term position traders, so not necessarily in and out in one day. We also have a trading room where the more advanced traders who are going in and out of the market on a daily basis can gather. And so those are the two primary services that we provide. Let me raise this question early on in the chat that we're going to have here, and that is, are there some folks who probably ought not be doing this, doing it anyway? Yeah, I think unfortunately that's the case. As you know, they've been talking about some regulations and things coming down the road with the SEC, and we think that's a good idea. Unfortunately, there's been a shift recently from people who day trade in the market who were financially well off and using day trading as just another means of investing in the market to some people who are using day trading as a means to create wealth from nothing. This is where you hear about people using money from credit cards, right, or mortgages where they shouldn't. And so that is something, when people come to our site and sign up for our service, we do have a 2-week free trial. We do try to, do some education. We do have information on the site. And, I think there does need to be some education so that people who are doing day trading understand the risks and that they aren't using money they don't have. All right, and in fact, and then we'll move on, let's dispel this. The average person cannot get on and make any serious money day trading, is that correct? Yeah, we do see a cross-section. There are going to be some people who do poorly when they begin. There are going to be some people who do well when they begin. But for the most part, there is a learning curve, and that can be an expensive learning curve. It's unrealistic to think that you can go into the markets, cold and know everything there is about day trading. All right, all of that said, for those folks who do have some discretionary funds available to them for this, as they might use to go to Vegas or anywhere else, or they think they're really that good, they can get tips from you guys. Now, where do you get your information? Where does your research come from? Well, for example, in the newsletter, we do a lot of technical analysis. I know you have a background in technical analysis yourself, and we mix that with fundamentals about the company. One thing we should stress is that in our service we do trade stocks that do have good fundamentals behind them. So we want to be trading the higher quality names so that if we do have to hold them a little bit longer than a day or two or even a week, that we are in good, solid positions. And that's something I want to stress to your viewers.
We're not talking about over-the-counter stocks with 8 ticker symbols or penny stocks here.
Yeah, I mean, we do cover some of those from time to time in our higher risk segment of the service, but largely we recommend sticking to stocks that are also good investments. I think one thing that should be pointed out is before you ever think about becoming a day trader, you should be proficient at investing. And again, day trading should be part of an overall investment plan.
Let me ask you this. Some of your holdings, AMR, AOL, Dell, Monsanto, are these stocks you want to be in and out of on an hourly or daily basis?
Well, I do own those in my long-term portfolio. And
what's long-term for you?
Well, for me, long-term, like I say, I have long-term and short-term recommendations at our service. The stocks you just covered are ones that I happen to hold for the next 3 to 5 years.
Okay.
But at the same time, we recently day traded AOL, bought it at 102, 103, sold it at 119, then went short. So a stock like that, if you get in on the wrong side of the market and you're going to have to hold it for a month or two, there's always going to be buyers of AOL. They've got a sound business behind them. So like you say, it's not some 5-ticker stock that,
okay. Ray, we got to leave it there. Folks who want to tune in on your location, it's www.daytraders.com.
That's correct, daytraders.com, and we do have a 2-week free trial for all subscribers.
Very good, sir. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Senior Market Editor of daytraders.com from San Jose, California today. Still ahead, best-selling author Susie Orman is back.